In this video, we're gonna talk about why I switched my entire business from Kartra over to HighLevel and why I'm probably not gonna go back, so stick around. If you've never seen me before, my name is Dom and I've actually started the whole entrepreneurship online business thing back in 2017. And like most people back then, I found a company called ClickFunnels, and that's what I was using as my funnel builder of choice back then. I was using ClickFunnels back then, partly because one, it had a very easy interface to use, but also because it was really the only funnel builder that I knew about. And the biggest problem I had with ClickFunnels back then was $97 a month, and at the time, it only did one thing, and that was build funnels. So to complete the rest of my business, I had to have ClickFunnels for my funnels, I had to have a HostGator blog, hosting a WordPress site for my actual website and all of my blogs, I had to have GetResponse for my emails. It was a big, heavy, cumbersome stack, and it was actually kind of duct taped together, and often all those integrations broke. But while I was using that stack of software, I thought that that was basically how it was. That's how online business was, because that's what I saw everybody else around me doing. But in 2020, during the height of the pandemic, I hopped on TikTok, and one of my TikTok mutuals actually recommended a software to me called Cartra. Now, Cartra was very similar in the fact that it was a funnel and it was a page builder, but it was an all-in-one software CRM. Basically, Cartra would have replaced my entire tech stack, but also added what I thought at the time was a really good help desk functionality. Basically, what I liked about Kartra was that I'm gonna replace my entire existing tech stack with ClickFunnels, GetResponse, ClickMagick, and HostGator, and replace all of those for a single $99 a month payment, and I would add a real help desk functionality along with it, and the automation was much more robust. That was another thing that I didn't really like about my existing stack. There's a lot of manual tasks, and I had basically just an email inbox was my help desk. Kartra kind of cleaned all that up, and I was paying a lot less because I was only paying one subscription of $99 a month. But eventually, Kartra started to get really expensive. I'm gonna bring their pricing table up on the screen here, and as you'll see, as you get and build your bigger list, the software increases in price, but you really don't get any more functionality. So for me, as I was building my email list, I was paying more and more money to Kartra every single month, and basically, once you hit the enterprise level, they just charge you an exorbitant amount of money, which is fine if you're making a whole lot of money, but for me, I like to keep my costs level because I like to run a lean ship. The other thing I didn't like about Kartra was my agency integration. As you probably realize, I teach people funnels, emails, marketing frameworks, and inside a lot of my courses, I'll teach a specific framework, and for someone to have me refer them to Kartra and then import all of the frameworks. But then I heard about HighLevel sometime in 2022, and I started messing around with it because I heard about it in a Facebook group. Somebody said that I could buy a HighLevel and I could white label it as my own and bring my own customers onto it, and they would pay me directly rather than me referring to Kartra and getting an affiliate commission. And once I realized I could do that with HighLevel, that was kind of a tipping point for me in my business. Because I was referring people to another software and then having them import all of my frameworks and teachings and course material anyway, HighLevel, I could do this all in one step. I could have all of the emails and frameworks preloaded into my customer's transaction, and I wouldn't have to give them an affiliate link. They would just pay me directly, and then all of a sudden, everything would get preloaded. All they would have to do is fill in the blanks. It made the whole process way more convenient for everybody involved. And it wasn't like HighLevel had any different functionality than Kartra. In fact, HighLevel is a true all-in-one software, but the key difference is that they don't increase their price with the amount of contacts that you have on your list. So I actually ended up saving money by switching over to HighLevel myself, but with keeping 100% of the revenue as opposed to a 40% affiliate commission that I had to sort all of my own customer service and I had to do all of my own tech support, which was admittedly scary at first. But luckily, the HighLevel community has great aftermarket support that I could outsource both of those tasks to, and we'll get to that there in a second. I'll show you what I did. And now as I record this in 2024, it's worked out wonderfully. Right now, I have a little bit over 200 customers on my white label version of HighLevel, and let's actually dive into my computer to actually see if the software is any good. Okay, so we're here inside of my HighLevel account. This is what you would get if you were to sign up with me, and this is actually what a blank account looks like. Actually, you start here on the launch pad the first time here when you come in. Don't worry about me down here in the corner. That's aftermarket, as is the little chat here. We'll get to that here in a second. But basically, this is what your HighLevel account looks like, and it is totally blank. And what I mean by blank is there is not a funnel, there is not a website. Even if I go here into an automation, it's blank. HighLevel will do nothing. They give you all the pieces, but it's up to you to put them all together, which depending on your point of view could be a shortcoming or it could be a plus. For me, it was a plus because I like to tinker. But somebody coming who needs a little bit more structure and a little bit more color by numbers, you either sign up with somebody who has a white label already of HighLevel or sign up with something like a Kartra or something like that. You're gonna get a blank slate here, which is awesome. But the full functionality there is, so I've got all of my marketing. This is all your emails, this is your SMS, this is your social planner. So it is a true all-in-one software. You've got your sites, which would do all of my funnels, my websites, my client portal, my courses, WordPress. It will host everything inside of it. Again, same functionality as all of the other all-in-one software, and then you'll actually get a little bit more with HighLevel. Their development philosophy is they keep everything very open, everything customizable. You can insert custom code just about anywhere that you want. As you can see, my business partner Reagan down here, we actually put a video of her on every single page for our customers that can actually explain what each page does. This is not standard HighLevel edition. So what I've done here is I actually click this up here. It's gonna pull that up, and then basically what happens is a learn more button. She gives you a 30-second synopsis of what the page does, and then you click on that. It will bring you to our help desk with basically is gonna give you more documentation on how to actually use that particular part of the software. This is also aftermarket. This is not HighLevel itself. They keep it super, super customizable. This is part of my customer service outsourcing. I actually put this little chat widget in here as well, where you can actually talk to live chat agents. I found these people are called Extendly inside of the HighLevel community. It's super easy to install. In fact, to actually install that, it was just one line of code, which gets installed right here inside of the custom JavaScript section in the agency level. They allow you to customize everything. So if I wanted to change my loading screen, I wanted to change the look of the sidebar, all I would have to do is copy and paste some code in here. I'm not a coder. I don't know how to do it. The other thing that I love about HighLevel and the software itself is that they are constantly updating it, fixing it, and adding the features. They're probably the most responsive software company I've come across. They have a really highly engaged community. I pulled up their Facebook group right here, and this is something that you're gonna see on a fairly regular basis as a HighLevel user. You'll see our wonderful fearless leader, Sean Clark, will post here these little Loom videos. They're about a minute long, and every time there's a dev release, there's a update, a new feature, he'll make these little videos right here explaining you exactly how they work. I probably get 3 or 4 of those a day when they come out. Gives a little Loom, walks through a new feature, walks through a fix. Essentially, if the community gets loud enough about something, they will send it to the dev team. If it's a bug, if it's a feature people keep asking for, they're just gonna go ahead and build it. They kind of put us, the users, in control. We tell them we want, and they basically deliver on it if they can, and it's a pretty cool experience. It is one thing, it's definitely a user-driven roadmap rather than founder has a vision type roadmap. It's a really interesting dynamic, and that's what I really do like about the HighLevel community itself. Also, speaking of the founders, speaking of the developers, if you post a question or a comment or a concern somewhere in the HighLevel Facebook group, chances are somebody who works for HighLevel is going to respond instantly. And I'm not just talking about somebody who was hired to work in customer service and be in the Facebook group. I'm talking about C-level executives, CMOs, COOs, head developers are going to be in your comment sections asking for your feedback and asking how they can help make a situation right. It is the most responsive software company I have seen. So overall, my impression of HighLevel has been positive. The features are not lacking. It handles everything I need in my business. It streamlines the process for me as well as the customers in my business as well. The devs and the leadership are super responsive and open to your suggestions. And not to mention the software is super stable. I know there's other software in the market where things break, things don't work, and it takes a long time for things to get resolved. With HighLevel, my experience has been that it is up 99.5% of the time. Now, granted, sometimes when Sean is pushing a bunch of updates, my systems on my end will slow down, things will get glitchy, things won't load, things will freeze for a while. That only happens for about an hour, but all of my customer-facing stuff, all my websites, all my email automations, all my courses, everything there, that is all unaffected. So the only time that HighLevel will ever really slow down for me, business-facing side, not the customer-facing side, which is something that I really, really enjoy. They put the attention to detail on that. When they're working and they're pushing all the updates, yeah, sometimes it gets a little wonky, but it's customer never knows about it. So to wrap this video up, who is HighLevel for? Now, number one, I would say people like me, people who have a sphere of influence, who teach a framework, who teach a website, or if they're a digital agency who they bring on customers, they sell software to their customers. HighLevel is for them because then you can put your own brand name on it, you can bring in your own framework, and it really streamlines the onboarding and the delivery process as well, as opposed to, hey, I know that you want to pay me here as an agency. By the way, go to all these different affiliate links of mine, go get set up, and then give me access, and it's a big, long rigmarole type process. HighLevel makes it easy. Basically, you pay me and then you use my software and all my stuff is preloaded. You just fill in the blanks. But again, the downside of that is everything is blank. And if you are the one working the HighLevel account, you need to be prepared to tinker. The other person that HighLevel could be for is just a retail freelancer. So you could be using a ClickFunnels or a Kartra or something for your own business, but you might want a little bit more of customization. You can actually go to HighLevel Direct. They do have a $97 plan, which gives you all in one. You don't have the ability to white label, but you will basically see everything that I see on the HighLevel side, but you just do it for your own business. You want to tinker, if you want to customize, you have specific frameworks that you're kind of doing 37 workarounds with all the other software to make it work. You can probably do it all seamlessly on HighLevel. Now, if you fit one of those two profiles, I've actually left links in the description of this video for you to start your very own HighLevel trial. Some of them are actually 30 days long, depending on the plan that you pick. And if you want to learn how to white label HighLevel for yourself, actually check out this playlist. I'll put it up in one of the corners. I'm documenting my journey from 200 users all the way to 2,000 users and teaching you everything I've learned along the way. So again, check out one of these videos. I'll see you in the next one.